Hey guys, what is up? Brendan here, aka Brenbo, bringing you guys another video on the Audi TT. And as you guys could tell by the title, I'm selling it. And you guys knew this, I already made a video about this, but the car is actually sold now and will be picked up tomorrow. So I knew I had to make a video about this tonight before it's gone. It is 10:30. I just got home from work about 2 hours ago. You know, I had to eat dinner, get ready and stuff, but it's late, but I had to make this video because this is obviously a huge moment in my life and with this channel, because this channel has revolved around this car, started from this car from day one. It's been huge. This car has gained 1,034,000 views on this channel. For me to think about that is just huge. 1 million people have watched me with this car, and that's just amazing. I never thought this car could generate something like that. I had it day one, completely stock. I decided I was gonna modify it. Wasn't very common for this car, and I was just gonna take my chance. And I think that's what really helped me. So a lot of people don't modify these cars, and I kind of started a trend because I'm kind of seeing like more people modify TTs. I have made 120 videos on the channel, about 116 about the Audi TT. And to me, that's also quite a bit of videos. Like, how I could think of that much ideas for this car. Others were on the Charger and the Lambo, I know. And it's just crazy to think that most of those were mod videos and vlogs, because I used to start this channel with me vlogging in the car, going somewhere to talk about topics, because it's easy to talk about. But then I slowly talked about mods, and then I went to some car meets with it, gained a lot of attention. I soon actually started getting recognized in public with the car. That was this summer, and now it's gone. It's kind of sad. But I gotta move on with my life, obviously, and get the new car, and that will definitely grow the channel more in the future, and I kind of need to grow this channel. I just can't keep making videos on the Audi TT forever, so I eventually need to change it up and grow a better and different audience to join the channel. I really hope the new owner really takes care of it like I did. Obviously, they're probably not gonna wash it after every time they drive it, or they probably won't even modify because there's nothing really else to do to the car. But I really hope it goes into good hands, it's taken care of, and they treat respect like I did. I know there's not gonna be any other Audi TT like this. I made a one-of-a-kind car. It's really special to me, and I'm actually getting pretty sad about this just because I've had this car for 3.5 years. I've been through a lot with it. I've spent many hours just wrenching on it, doing videos with it. Just lots of experiences with this, good and bad. The new owner is very lucky because I basically just put on these wheels, these XXR 527. The Michelin Pilot Super Sports are basically brand new. Probably have like 200 miles on them or something. You know, the vinyl that I put on, that's not very old either. The window tint's not very old. Definitely the front splitter and the new grille, that is basically brand new. So a lot of this stuff on the car is brand new. I really didn't drive the car after I got my daily, which I never really told you guys about. The Saturn Aura, basically a piece of junk beater car. I've gotten that, I've been driving that around obviously, but I'm keeping this garage kept, keeping it nice for when I sell it, and I'm continuing to drive that until I get my new sports car or whatever it is. And it's been doing fine, you know. I just did a couple things to it, tires, oil change, and that's just about it. But definitely, I'm glad I got that, because if I sold this, I had no other car to drive. But it's just sad seeing this thing go. It's been a long journey, I know you guys don't want me to sell it, but I have to move on. Last night when they left, I made this really cringy Snapchat video. I'll put it on right now. But I don't know, I thought it was kind of funny.
It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way.
But that's about it, guys. I'm gonna play a couple of videos I thought were the biggest achievements or best moments of me with the Audi TT right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys back when I get a new car, or maybe before then with some other information. But I'll see you guys later. Peace out. And today is gonna be my first video on my channel. I'm gonna explain my plans with this channel and what kind of car I drive, because that's what will be mostly this channel will be about. Rotor and pads on. Both fronts. Now tomorrow I will be doing the back. This has turned into a whole weekend project, and I was not expecting that. I don't think I can make this any louder really, except if I put cams in. is up? Brennan here, aka Brenbo, and today we're back with a car review that's a little bit different than usual. Today I'm going to be driving in an Audi TT S. Today we will be installing coilovers on the Audi TT. So here's the air box. It is huge. So it is the next day and the car is gone. As you can see, nothing is here. I'm really sad about it. I wasn't here luckily because I probably would have got more emotional, but my family took some pics of it when it was going on the trailer. The guy who bought it chose for it to not be an enclosed trailer, so don't yell at me for that, but I'll show you guys the pics of it leaving, and I was at work, so I didn't get to see it leave. But here's a couple pics to show you guys really quickly. I thought I would include it in this video.